Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which graphics adapter you have and which OS you run. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and read the model and current driver version. This prevents installing the wrong package. Once done, make a quick system restore point so you can roll back if anything goes wrong. Make sure background apps are closed, especially games and recording software, to avoid file locks during the update process. Now you're ready to fetch the correct driver installer. You now get the specific driver package from the GPU maker. This is why identification matters. Search for your model on the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel driver page, pick the exact OS and 64 or 32-bit build, and choose DCH versus standard if offered. Drivers differ in packaging. Download the full installer, not a beta unless you need cutting-edge fixes. Once the file finishes, right-click and Run as administrator so the installer can replace system files. You run the installer and accept prompts. Pick Clean Install if present to remove old traces and avoid conflicts. Allow the process to complete and then reboot. Many changes require a restart to activate. After reboot, confirm the driver version in Device Manager or the vendor control panel to ensure the update applied. If something fails, boot to safe mode and reinstall, or use Device Manager to roll back to the previous driver. That immediate rollback is your fastest recovery option.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.